Everyone, I am Mark, and today we're going to be doing the pre-found task number 1, where we install Ubuntu desktop in virtual machine and their dev tools. So here's what we're going to do first before going to install Ubuntu. Dahil siya sa Windows, but they have their own website for installing their ISO file, which is ubuntu.com, and then we have this download Ubuntu, and then download Ubuntu this desktop, and then just this, click this, and then mukha na siya. And I think it will show up. Yeah, this guy. So we just save them, and then just save them. Yes, para save them siya. So anyways, now that we've installed Ubuntu, we're gonna do the step 1, which is create and configure Ubuntu desktop virtual machine. Create a new virtual machine in VirtualBox for Ubuntu 22.04 desktop. In settings, ensure system motherboard has enabled AFI chat. Allocate at least 2 CPUs and 4 GB RAM. So, what we're going to do now? Main version. So, what we're going to do now is just remove this one now. Delete all files, and then new, and then Ubuntu desktop. So kung saan na pangalan, but I prefer this. And then we can choose na an ISO image now. In my case, nara ko'y kanang Linux ISOs nga folder. We have Ubuntu desktop md64.iso. So kanata pala yun. Skip on natin na install. And for the hardware is yes, 4 GB RAM, 4096, and then 2, and then enable EFI chat. This one, there we go. And I think na. Yeah, pwede na tamukuan. Pwede na i-finish. And then settings ta. And there you have it. So sa general ano to. But I'm not sure what this means by main view settings summary screen. It's probably here, but i-export mo na, and then padakon ta na gamay, and boom, screenshot. I'm just creating a folder, Ubuntu desktop. There you go. Then okay. And then that's it for step 1. Okay, now let's move to step 2, which is install Ubuntu 22.04 desktop. What to do? Start the VM and follow the GUI installer. Choose the normal installation and elect to install third-party software. Insert a screenshot of the Ubuntu desktop after a successful installation. So what we're going to do now is start our Ubuntu desktop. Yeah. So try to install Ubuntu. Press navigate with your buttons. No, not buttons, but arrow buttons, and press enter. So try and install Ubuntu. Okay, now we're in the installation nakuan. So click next. Next in Japan. Next in Japan. Use wired connection. Just skip this. Install Ubuntu. Use interactive installation or choose, I mean. And then I think wala na ko butang default. Ang butang ra kay install third-party software, which might be here. So click this. Erase this and install Ubuntu. That's what we're going to do. Your name, and then you can do you can choose any password, by the way. I don't really care. Next, and then install, and then that's it. Mana siya install. Ay, not really humana, pero install na siya. So I'll be right back with you. I'll come back after human siya install. Okay, nahuman nag-install, pwede na ni tani i-restart. Gaya na human na to eh. And there you have it. Nata sa desktop. Pwede nyo ito i-screenshot. Yeah. Ay kanilang day i-screenshot. Mas nindot pa na eh. And next. Then skip. Then next. Then finish. Then that's it. That's step 2. Now arin ta sa step 3, which is update system packages. Open a terminal and run the command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y to fully update your system, insert screenshot of the terminal after the upgrade command is finished. So what we are going to do is search for terminal. Just gonna take this, and a terminal should open up, and then just type sudo apt update, and then your password. Wata na. Wait, hold on. I think na ko nalimtan to change the storage to an SSD para mapaspasan lang. Balik tas terminal, then sudo apt update. Okay, since ang kaning header kay lag man, I think I can switch to another header, which is update. If not that, murag katotong sa update. Ada. So server for Philippines, you can use main server, then enter your password to authenticate, then close, then reload. Okay. Watang na tamo refresh. Balik tag sudo apt update, and it should be faster now, I think. Yeah. Then sudo apt upgrade y kaninga command, and then just yes. Then magawa mo ito. Home money. Okay, manag update. This is what it should look like after the update. So pwede na tayo screenshot. Step 3. And I think that's step 3, yes. Muna to ang step 3, dali ra ko na human. Now let's do step 4, which is installing development tools. In the terminal, install Git, VS Code, and XAMPP, and install Chrome by downloading the dev file and installing it. Install nvm and use it to install the latest node LTS. So first mo nag-install sa tao na sa Git. So in the terminal, type ka kuan sudo apt install git, then yung password, and then yes. So that wato na natana. Then sunod is VS Code. So sudo snap install classic code. And then what na lang tala mahuman na siya. Let's find another one as well. XAMPP. So XAMPP, let's go to their kuan. Let's go to their website. Ano na sa tani? No guys, kayo man. Okay, there's XAMPP for Linux. Then just what ang tanga mahuman siya? Here we go. Then sa Google Chrome, you have like kuan Google Chrome Linux, and then just do there's a installer here, I think. Just kani. So kani sa nga link. Download Chrome sa for Linux. So kani piliyon ni mong una .dev. Yung hawat ng dana, and then sa XAMPP, let's open it up. Yes, ilag kayo. Okay. Wonder if magana if we double click. Okay, so dili siya magana. So what we are going to do is right click and then open terminal, and then kuan ana kani nga kuan, and then XAMPP. Can't do tab? That sucks. Okay. Linux x64 8.2.12.0 installer that run. Ba't nga sana itong sudo? Okay, command that found. So let's try chmod plus x, and then kuan chmod plus x, and then balik ko na to. It should work by now. Yeah. So forward, and then magawa na tama install na sila. Hopefully dali ra sa kani. Oh yeah, dali ra jud ay. I hope. Maybe. So anyways, kuha na to sa Google Chrome. So in the same terminal, just kani in .dev. You can just double click this, and I think mo kung ano siya, or maybe not. App Center's not responding. Wait. Yeah. Just click install. Google Chrome stable. But if you want to like do that, kung ang katong buhaton kaniya, that it would be advisable na lang. Pero ako ay naniuna ako pag install ako. Yeah. Kay similar mo sa data kay kuha niya gikan sa Snap. So pwede ra sa nataon ninyo. Just click install na lang. As for XAMPP, bit na. So while we wait, ngitan sa taglain. Oh yeah, so sudo snap install classical mo manam dani. NVM, yes, NVM. So let's just search for NVM in Kanni node version manager. And then there's a installing kanang scroll down kagamay, and then installing and updating. And there's like a script for this in Linux or kani curl o kani. There you go. And then this terminal, open sa balik terminal. Paste it. This one, paste it. Boom. If wala dili mo just do sudo app install curl. Then mo install na siya curl, and then after that pwede na ka install balik sa NVM. Medyo kuti siya, pero it's worth it. Trust me, especially sa kanya. After that, just paste it, and it should na better. After that, NVM bash application. Close nyo yung open it to start or file use it lang. Okay. So close na niyo, open tagline terminal. Then saan to? Terminal, new window. There you go. And then NVM install LTS. Here we go. NVM install LTS. So NVM install LTS, which installs the latest version of Node. And then that's it. Installed na ang Node.js. There we go. So install ng Node.js. Guys, code mura wala pa. Basta ang mag-install dumaguro ang Google Chrome. Check. Yeah, installed na dahil. So that's good. It's good enough. Ang matang na to kay XAMPP o si VS Code. Manami sa tayo instigate o So what na to? BRB. Okay, nag-install ang XAMPP VS Code. So let's check if na-install na patanan. Let's just finish this up real quick. Close na ni sila. Close na. Basta ka ni. No. Insert a composite screenshot of showing the terminal output of git version code. Version code and will be okay. So, terminal. Ito nga command. Git version. Good. Code version. Yes. And node view. Yeah. That's it. Oops. And screenshot this. Save. Step 4. I think this is step 4. Yes. So, muna tayo sa step 4. Okay, now, arin sa tayo sa step 5. Install and enable openssh-serve. What to do? Install the SSH server by running sudo apt install openssh server. Check its status with sudo systemctl status ssh. Find the VM's IP address with IPA. And then as for the screenshot, insert a screenshot of the terminal showing the output of the IPA command. Okay, so first is open the terminal and then let's do this command. Sudo apt install openssh. Sudo sudo apt install openssh server. And then password mo. Yes. And then kung mag-install, check the status with sudo systemctl status ssh. So sudo systemctl status ssh. And I think it's inactive ang status niya. So, tingnan ito balik. Yeah, it's kind of inactive. Then IPA. And then ano siya. Mag-screenshot na ni. And that's step 5. Manata sa step 5. Now for step 6. Test SSH connection with host machine. What to do? On your main computer, the host, open a terminal cmd partial or terminal and connect to the VM using command SSH your username, your VM IP address. Now, this might work, but I'm not sure since naka-off na siya. So how do I? Let me just close this up for now. Just close. And then ang settings niya not to work. I-listen talaga bridge adapter. Then okay. Then start to balik. After that, we'll have to test if ang openssh server kay naka-run ba. Anyways, terminal na ta. Sudo systemctl status sh. And it's not enable. I don't know why. It's enabled. It's probably enabled. Probably. Yeah. So let's check IPA. Ano tayo kan? So 1.8. So So sa atong kuan, sa atong local nga kuan nga CMD, so we have to like kuan SSH your VM address, since ang kuan niya kay Marchi, so kuan Marchi at the tentative work is yes. Oh, and it should work. Yeah, it now works. This is what it would look like kung daw Ubuntu 20. Yes, yeah, connected na siya sa kuan. Yeah. By the way, ang password ani kay similar sa password sa katong Linux nga atong gikuanan. So yeah, screenshot. And there you have it, manatag kuan sa pre-final nga task. Medyo dugay kasi na humutong sa installation, but yeah, thanks for watching.